In this video, I'll review the book, The Principles of Knitting by June Hemans Hyatt. The Principles of Knitting is a reference book that I go to time and time again that I am happy to have on my bookshelf. The issue that I have is the most recently revised and updated version from 2012. This is a very comprehensive book. It's quite thick, and as a result, it is very large and very heavy. It does come as a Kindle or ebook version. I happen to have the ebook version so that I can bring this book, reference book, with me when I am teaching out of town. The title says Comprehensive and Timeless Guide, and I could not agree more. This is a very comprehensive book. Pretty much anything you can think of knitting related will be found in here, or at least a mention of it, if not a more in-depth discussion of the techniques. The diagrams are clear and very good. They are black and white line drawings, sometimes with a reddish accent when color is needed to call out something in particular. When there are photos, they are also black and white, but the yarn used is a light colored yarn and the photos are very clear, so it is easy to see the stitches and what is being shown in the photographs. The first edition of this book was from 1988, and as I said, this is the updated, revised and updated edition. There is a table of contents, so that can be one path to finding a particular item that you're looking for. There is a comprehensive index as well that spans many pages. So that is another path for finding something in particular that you are looking for. Do be aware that some of the terms she uses are not quite standard terms, so sometimes looking things up by name can be difficult if you are not entirely sure what you're looking for and you know it by a particular name. The table of contents and the index can help you find the general area in the book where what you're looking for will be found, and then that should help you narrow down where to look. There are a good number of cast-ons and bind-offs represented, but certainly not all, so a separate book showing different cast-ons and bind-offs is handy to have, but this is a good intro, and there are a good number represented in this book. Overall, I highly recommend this book. Every time I pick it up, I seem to discover something new that I hadn't seen before. It's a fantastic reference book to have on hand if you like having knitting reference books on hand. So that's my quick review of the book, The Principles of Knitting by June Hemans Hyatt. Do you have this book? What do you think of it? Let me know in the comments below. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.